ChangeHero Crypto Swap Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to ChangeHero are in the description. ChangeHero is a non-custodial crypto swap platform that allows users to exchange cryptocurrencies instantly without creating an account. It supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and various altcoins, making it a versatile choice for traders looking for fast and seamless swaps. With no registration required, users can swap crypto quickly while maintaining their privacy, which is a significant advantage for those who prefer anonymous transactions. One of ChangeHero's main features is instant swaps with competitive exchange rates. The platform aggregates liquidity from multiple sources to offer the best available rate at the time of the transaction, reducing slippage and optimizing trade execution. It also provides two exchange rate options: floating rates, which adjust in real time based on market conditions, and fixed rates, which lock in a price at the start of the transaction to avoid unexpected fluctuations. This gives users flexibility based on their risk preference. Security is another strong point of ChangeHero. Since it is non-custodial, funds never pass through the platform, reducing the risk of hacks or loss due to custodial failure. Transactions are processed through trusted liquidity providers, ensuring a safe and efficient experience. The platform also includes anti-money laundering AML measures, making it compliant with regulatory standards. For usability, ChangeHero has a clean and simple interface, allowing even beginners to swap crypto effortlessly. The process is straightforward. Select the coins, enter the receiving wallet address, confirm the swap, and the transaction is completed in minutes. The platform also provides 24/7 customer support, which is helpful in case users encounter any issues. In summary, ChangeHero is an excellent choice for fast, secure, and hassle-free crypto swaps. With support for a wide range of coins, instant transactions, and strong security measures, it caters to both beginner and advanced traders. If you're looking for an easy-to-use swap platform without the need for registration, ChangeHero is worth considering. Check the description for links and try it out today.